Hi, Joanie here with Realty Executives. I'm so excited to show you this beautifully updated golf course view 2-2 manufactured home right on the golf course. Let's take a look. Alright, so inside we have a beautifully updated kitchen, nice open floor plan, and you'll see throughout you have vaulted ceilings, LVP floors, so luxury vinyl plank flooring with no transitions, and just so much attention to detail in this home. We have updated countertops, so these are quartz countertops in the kitchen, updated appliances, a nice stylish backsplash right behind the stove here. And you have a solar tube here in the kitchen, which gives you that natural light, recessed lighting, and you'll see updated fixtures as we go. And right off the kitchen, you have a built-in cabinet here with the same countertops, the quartz countertops here. It's a nice storage for your dishes. Beautiful home for entertaining. Your dining room is right here, and it flows seamlessly into the living area. So your living room right off the kitchen and dining room. And these are updated windows, so you have double pane windows throughout the main rooms of the home. And they also updated the ceiling in the main living space here. And right through here are your bedrooms. So the primary bedroom again offers that LVP flooring with no transitions. Nice bay window here. Furniture is negotiable. And you have a nice ceiling fan. Again, the vaulted ceilings. Great walk-in closet for storage. And the ensuite here is just beautiful. They updated with granite countertops. Nice neutral tones in here. Nice linen closet. And floor to ceiling tile, just beautifully updated. Nice large walk-in shower. Updated light fixtures as well. And you can see you have a nice skylight here to complete this beautiful ensuite. The guest bedroom is right off the main primary suite there. Has a nice walk-in closet, vaulted ceilings. Again, the LVP floors. And right off the guest bedroom here, you have your updated bathroom, shower tub combo. You have another solar tube in here, so more natural light. And the updated vanity here offers granite countertops. And through here, you have a great extra living space overlooking the golf course. You have a wet bar here. This can be used as an extra den or entertaining. And it connects right to your dining area there. And right out here is a nice entertainment area overlooking the golf course. So this is part of your lanai. Have a nice bar area, complete with everything that you need to host a nice get-together back here. So you have shelving here. Again, right on the golf course. We are right next to Country Club, Orange Blossom Country Club Hills here, and also really close to Hilltop Pool. And I'll give you a quick peek outside. And back inside here, you can see the flooring has that nice river rock finish. You have your laundry, laundry room right in here, also great storage. And through here you have a 2-car garage, which you can definitely utilize for more than just 2 cars. Quite a bit of storage space in here. Thank you so much for watching. I would love to show you around this beautiful home, golf course view home, right in the Villages in the historic section. I'm going to put my information in the description, so feel free to reach out directly or like and share if you know someone who's thinking of moving to the Villages and would love a great opportunity just like this. Something that is already, everything is all updated within the last few years. Hot water tank, HVAC, roof, all these nice upgrades were done just recently. And the furniture is optional, so that definitely makes it move-in ready and hassle-free. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day, and we'll talk soon.